Hi there, this is Penelope and this is a short video for the MG5004DE5418 test/exam coming up soon. This is where we're using integration to find the area bounded by a curve, but in this case the curve is described parametrically. So we've got here x equals theta minus sine theta and y is equal to 1 minus cos theta, and we're asked to find the area under the curve between theta is 0 and theta is pi. So that means our area is going to be the integral between 0 and pi. Now y is given as 1 minus cos theta and x is theta minus sine theta, and that means that dx is 1 minus cos theta times d theta. Now we have to put all of those into here. That's the standard formula. The difference is the representation of y and dx. So y is 1 minus cos theta and dx is 1 minus cos theta d theta. Okay, multiplying that out gives us 1 minus 2 cos theta plus cos squared theta. And actually doing the integration now, the integral of 1 is theta, the integral of 2 cos theta is 2 sine theta. And if we make the substitution, we've done these, if we make the substitution of 1 minus half, whatever it is, then do the integration, then we get theta over 2 plus sine 2 theta over 4. Okay, so I didn't do that, but that's a standard integral. Now we need to substitute in pi and 0. So putting in pi we get 3 pi over 2. Putting in 0 we get 0. So our final answer is 3 pi over 2 units squared, or square units.